Hey guys, here at A Family Outdoors, we've been busy learning about chickens. So now that I think I understand them a bit better, we're gonna try and hatch our own eggs. I've made my own incubator out of a styrofoam cooler, and we're gonna see if we can get any to hatch. We have been busy since we moved into our new house almost 2 years ago. And we've got our chicken coop going, and we got a few chickens and a couple roosters. Not only are we trying to get our own eggs, we're trying to grow our own food. Here's the garden that has kept me busy. It is a start. I made some planters over here to do some tomatoes. They really like the heat. And then we have more tomatoes and peppers over here. This is what I have been busy doing. So these are the nesting boxes I built for our chickens. They've been laying eggs. That's for the baby chicks when they get a bit bigger. Hey, so I've collected some eggs and we're gonna start hatching them. It should take about 21 days and we'll be ready for some baby chicks, hopefully. So we want to start and put an X on each egg with a pencil so that when you turn them 3 times a day, you know which eggs you have turned. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So I've marked all these eggs with an X. We're gonna turn them 3 times a day every day. You also want to candle your eggs before you begin. Here I have, it's a toilet paper roll with a flashlight inside. It works really good. So we're gonna candle them all to look for cracks or any weak parts on the eggs. So when I candled this egg, it had a weak spot here. So I just put a little wax over top. We'll see if that works. And then I'm gonna put it in the incubator. So you want your humidity, anything above 50 for the first day 1 to 18, and then get it up past 70 after you lock down your incubator. The temperature, it's still warming up. It should be at 37.2 to 38.9 degrees. And if you have your incubator in a room without direct sunlight, it's easier to keep the temperature consistent. Here is the incubator. It is made out of a styrofoam cooler. And then we just have a cord and a little picture frame for the window. And we have a light bulb inside with a sponge, thermometer and humidity, and then a little tinfoil base underneath that so water can go underneath. And I've punched some holes. Took a while to figure out the temperature to get it the right temperature inside. And this just kind of reflects so it doesn't get too hot in there. So it'll take 21 days and we will watch the process. Here's some of the eggs we're going to be incubating. We've been collecting them the last week. There is a variety of different chicken breeds, so we'll see what we get. All right, so it's day 7, and today we are going to candle all the eggs and see how they're doing in their development. It's kind of neat to see. So we have to shut all the lights off so we can see it. So it'll be dark, but then once the egg lights up, you'll be able to see hopefully inside the egg. All right, we are back. It is day 14, and I will show you how this chicken looks. It's hard for the camera to pick it up. You can see it there inside the egg. Sometimes you can see it moving. I'll show you. Air sac has grown. I don't know if you can see my pencil mark where I had marked it before. But it is getting bigger and taking up a lot more of the egg. See if he'll move. There he goes. About 7 more days and hopefully they will be hatching. So I made this little chart for breakfast, lunch, and supper so that I remembered to turn the eggs 3 times a day. After day 18, your incubator is on lockdown and you don't turn them anymore. You just leave it shut as much as you can. You crank the humidity up, and our hatch day will be June 10th. So we're down to 3 eggs left. The other ones were not fertile, or maybe when I stored them for the 7 days, up to 7 days before I put them in the incubator, they might have been too warm. But I still have 3 eggs left, so let's hope that they hatch. It is day 21. The brown egg has got a little bit of its shell off, and it's hard to see through the camera. But you can see him trying to push through that little tiny hole. He's moving every now and then. We are getting there. I don't want to open it up. It's been about 24 hours. This guy's still working his way out of his egg. Got one back there. It's piped a little hole. We have another one coming out. She's trying. This last one picked a little hole this morning. That's where we are. It's hard to see through. Oh. She was just pushing on through. I think she's tired and taking a break. She's trying. Hi, little chicken. Here are the little chicks. They are 3 days old. One is 4 days old. They are doing good. Here's the small start to our flock that will hopefully provide us with enough eggs. Appreciate you guys watching this video and following along. 3 little chicks are better than no chicks. You gotta learn somehow, and I just thought I'd try. But they're pretty cute, and they're growing fast. And hopefully on our next hatch we get more than 3, but if not, it's still a start. Thanks for watching.